Hello everyone, this is me OBJ, a certified naval architect. Today we talk about how we can convert the STL format of the hull. Usually we do the 3D scan and we get the STL and OBJ file. So it is very tricky to handle it because if we perform CFD tasks, we cannot do the tasks on them. So there are pretty much a very easy way we can do the conversion into the NURBS surfaces. Then now we first crop out the line curves, then array them. That I have took 10 surfaces. You can do to add for your hull size, and based on that I have used 18. Then press OK. Now split the mesh using the mesh split command. Based on that you will split the hull into the mesh. Then press OK and select the curve, then press enter. In that way we get this splitted hull section or into the mesh. Then now we will isolate the section of the hull, as it is a bulbous bow part and it is very critical to handle because it is very need to be done very carefully. So for that, first we use the command quad remesh, quad remesh. Then we have these options: target quad count, as it is a very complex part, so we used to use maximum number of curves, so we use it 3500 at this stage. Then we have adaptive size, we can choose 50 to 70 and 60%, and we can do a higher value. But first we do the preview, then you can see it calculating, and now it's become that part. Now we delete the input object, so it will become a single part. Press OK. Now you can see it's very carefully become very crucial, as tri-surface mesh is very tricky to handle and quad surface mesh is quite easier to handle. So now we use the sub numpty command, then press OK. Then we have mesh crease, mesh corner options. We make it surface corner as 0 because this is not a mesh initial file, and we put the delete input, press enter. Now it's become subty, as you can see it's subty surface. Now we use the NURBS command. Then we have delete subty options, keep it as it is, don't need to change anything else. So press enter. Now it will take some time. Now we get the surface. So now you can do anything. You can do either you can recraft the hull section again of this part, and more or less you need to repeat the task for other parts of the hull. So in that way you will get the nub surfaces, and you can recraft them by using the control commands. But this is not our topic at this moment. We need to focus on the conversion of STL and OBJ file into the NURBS for our easier task. It's a very complex thing we usually handle. So thank you so much.